Good morning, everyone. In the today's session, we will see other fields in Rollup Summary. What we can do with Rollup Summary. What we have to do now here is we have to create a Rollup Summary field on position object to get number of immediate joiners available for each position. We have position object here. In this position object, there are candidates. Those candidates, is there notice period? Yes, this notice period is available here. In this notice period section, immediate joiners are available. Venkatesh has applied for Salesforce architect position. Now our requirement is we want to see who are the immediate joiners, how many people are going to join immediately. We will consider them only for interview. We don't consider other people, those who are going to join in after 1 month or 2 months. We don't. Shravan, he applied for Salesforce developer position. His notice period is immediately he will join. While filling the application, he said he will join immediately. Changing the Salesforce developer position. So, in notice period, I am changing to immediate. He also will join immediately. Now our company has urgent requirement for Salesforce developers. They have posted one position, Salesforce developer position. For the Salesforce developer position, different people has applied. But in this applications, I want to see the people, how many people are applied for this post, who can join immediately. Who can join immediately? Those people I want to calculate. How to do that, we will see now. If you go to Salesforce developer position now, how many people applied for that job? 2 people, Aki and Shravan. These 2 people has applied. Whether these people can join immediately or not, they can join immediately. And I want to consider the people, those who can join for this position immediately. Veena, I am giving notice period for 2 months. Then how to achieve this now? So now create. Now we have to create a field. How to create now? Go to the tab and view fields. The view fields, go to custom fields and relationships. Here we have already one Rollup summary field. We can create 25 roll-up summary fields on a object. That is the governor limit. That is the maximum governor limit on a object to create roll-up field, roll-up summary fields. We can create 25. Now we have already created one. We'll create one more roll-up summary field. Next, give field label. I want to calculate who are the immediate joiners. Click next. And we have to enter summarized objects. On which object we want to calculate candidates. What you have to select here? Now we have to count how many people are going to join immediately. Now here we should not calculate all records. If you give this, it will calculate all records internally. We have to apply filter condition. Their notice period is immediate. We want to get the people, those who want to join immediately. So for this, you have to apply filter condition. It will show all the fields available in summarized object and candidates equals to value. We can select here immediate. If you know, you can directly enter, or else you can click on lookup and select that. Next. Make available for all profiles. Then click on save. Now see, this has came here. Now where to check? Where to check this? Salesforce developer. Here we are getting number of candidates applied. Edit columns here. We have to get that newly added roll-up field roll-up summary. Edit columns. Add that. So for Salesforce developer position, 3 candidates applied. There are 2 immediate joiners. See here, number of candidates applied are 3. Immediate joiners are 2. Who are the candidates applied? Veena, Akhil and Shravan. So in this 2 candidates, Akhil is going to join immediately. Shravan is going to join immediately. So now for these 2 people, HR people will call. They take interview. Whoever can join immediately, if one person said, okay, I will join in 1 week. If their interview performance is good, based on their interviews, they will select one. This option is very useful. So next option is like this is the navigation and assignment. Now banks has to calculate total credit card amount. You might have different credit cards from the same bank. You might have 2-3 credit cards from the same bank. That time bank has to calculate how much is total amount has to be paid by customers. There are different loans from the bank. They want to calculate how much total EMI, monthly EMIs has to be paid by customer. That time we have to use roll-up summary. We have used count roll-up type. We have 4 types of roll-ups. 4 roll-up types are there. We have seen count. We need to understand sum, minimum and maximum. Only 4 types are available. Sum is the roll-up type. This will sum up total, like in Excel, if you have 10 rows, if you go and click on sum, it will calculate all the sum. Final results it will give. So now go to account. We will create roll-up summary field for accounts. And for that accounts opportunities, each account, how much revenue has been generated, total revenue generated by customers. If you want to calculate for an account, we need to go to one account. In this account, we will have different opportunities. Opportunity nothing but bill. If the customer come 2-3 times to the store, that time 3 bills are generated. We want to know how much bill is, how much revenue generated through that customer. We need to add one field that is not provided by Salesforce. We have to add it. Now this account has 3 opportunities. 3 times they have used 3 services or 3 products. For that they have charged of 2,20,000, 1,20,000, 80,000. Total 4 lakhs. This is only 3 records. That's why we are able to create. There will be lakhs of records, thousands of records in real time. To get that, we have to use roll-up summary field to calculate this value. Here it is showing annual revenue of this customer. Now we have to calculate how much revenue is generated through customers. This annual revenue is how much he has income. This is how much bill, how many times he come to us and take services paid amount. This is his own annual revenue, and this is from us how much he took. So we will see now how to do. There are 3 opportunities. So we will create roll-up summary on accounts now. Go to view fields. Roll-up summary. Next. Total revenue generated. Click next. Now summarized object is here. We have to understand one thing. What is that is between account and opportunity, there is lookup relationship. If you check the relationship in schema builder, relationship between account and opportunity is lookup relationship. Yesterday I have explained. For lookup relationship, we cannot create roll-up summary. But Salesforce has given provision to add roll-up summary between account and opportunity. Because this functionality should be available. If you don't have this functionality, we can't understand how much revenue we are going to generate through this customer. For that, Salesforce has given this provision. Even though there is lookup relationship between account and opportunity, as for functionality, this should be available between these two objects. That's why they are able to do that. They have given. There is no roll-up summary between, we cannot create roll-up summary. This provision is not provided between account and contact object, account and case object. These two, account and contact and account and case, have lookup relationship. Along with this, account and opportunity also have lookup relationship. On lookup relationship, we cannot create roll-up summary field. But Salesforce, as per functionality, to correct the functionality, they have given this provision to create roll-up summary field on account object between account and opportunity. For whatever the object, we can create roll-up summary. Those objects only will be displayed here, will be listed here. Summarized object is opportunities. Now we have to select sum. For this sum, on which field you want to aggregate? Which field? Amount or expected revenue? Amount. You want to include all records. We don't have any filter condition. Here to field to aggregate, we get only those who have number and currency fields. Only those fields are displayed here because we apply sum on only number field or currency field. Check amount. Click next. So this field has been created. Total revenue generated. Now go to accounts. And select total revenue generated. This field came here. See now, this total is 4,20,000, right? 2,20,000, 1,20,000 and 80. Total 4,20,000 is displaying here. You select any other account. This field will be there. but total revenue generated is 0. Why? There are no opportunities. No opportunity records here. That's why it is displaying 0. Select this. It is displaying 34 lakhs 40,000 because there will be more opportunities. See, these many opportunities are there. There are 10 opportunities with this amount. That's why we have got this. This roll-up summary field is very, very important in real-time working, in interview point of view, in certification. If roll-up summary field is not applicable on any object, that field will not be displayed. It will be in disabled state. For example, if you want to apply on create view fields, new, this is enabled here, but for some cases we cannot create roll-up summary. That time it will be in disabled state. Which relationship? Now positions and recruiters have lookup relationship. Whichever the object, if it is not applicable, this roll-up summary is not applicable for that object, this option will be disabled. Now it is showing in enable state. We can select. If that is not applicable, roll-up summary field is not applicable on any field, it won't show like this. It will be in disabled state. So now you configure and calculate total revenue generated from each customer. We have finished with relationships. In relationships, lookup, master detail, many to many. We have used junction object here. Then we have changed, converted from lookup to master detail. Convert from master detail to lookup. Then roll-up summary. In this roll-up summary, you apply count, sum, min, and max. You need to understand difference between lookup and master detail. What is junction object? What are the limitations to convert from lookup to master detail? To convert from master detail to lookup? What are the governor limits of lookup relationship? How many lookups we can create? Maximum of 40 lookups on an object. You can create only 2 master detail relationships on an object. You can create 25 roll-up summaries on an object. If you have records in an object, you cannot create master detail relationship. Only 2 conditions. There should be a parent record mandatory. Then only you can create master detail relationship. All these things we have explained. So you practice all these things. You go to Trailhead and search for master detail, lookup relationships, roll-up summary, and whatever the modules you get, practice those in Trailhead. Whatever the assignments we have given, please get complete understanding about that. From tomorrow, we will start email templates. There will be 2 to 3 minutes interview on relationships and roll-up summary in every interview. That is compulsory. So you need to have very clear understanding about this. From tomorrow, we'll start email templates, then we go to workflows, then process builder.